Okay, so a few days ago, we just arrived at our new house in Montevideo, and this is one of our air conditioners, a TLC ductless split. It's kind of noisy. There's also a higher right there and some more on the roof. And right now it's running, but it's kind of defrosting. There's the steam right there. Not sure if you can see it, but it's steaming. This is the compressor sound. I think the fan is gonna turn on in just a minute. And the fan just turned on. Whoa, a lot of steam came out. And it's really cold. So now it's running. You can kind of hear it from here. This is the compressor noise. Oh, the fan just turned off. It's repeating this cycle. Yeah, so it's defrosting. And it's the winter time here in Uruguay, but it's not actually that cold. It's about 50 degrees outside, but this air conditioner is still defrosting. Its fan now isn't running. The steam is gonna come in the back. Can't really see, there isn't really any right now, but it's gonna come soon. And with the fan off, you can hear the compressor more. Might be steaming. I think I saw a little bit of steam. Anyways, this is a TCL ductless split. Oh, I think the fan is gonna turn on again. Just wait for it. I wonder if it's steaming. Oh, yeah, there's a little bit of steam. And last night I heard this air conditioner running and it was really noisy. I think now steam is starting to come out of the front. And this is actually the first time I've ever seen a ductless split defrosted. There's a little bit of steam right there. And right there. Just waiting for the fan to turn on. And there it goes. Look at all that steam. It's really cold. No wonder why. So there it is running. Basically, it does this. This is what it does, back and forth. So that was the defrost cycle of this TLC ductless split. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.